Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to mobile money. This process allows you to seamlessly transfer funds between your PayPal account and your local mobile money service. We'll cover the essential steps and considerations to ensure a smooth transaction. Many users find this incredibly convenient for managing their finances across different platforms. Let's dive right into the details and get you set up for success. Before you begin, it's crucial to have a few things in order. First, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified, as this often involves linking a bank account or card. Second, you'll need an active mobile money account registered under your name. Not all mobile money providers support direct PayPal integration, so it's wise to check with your specific service. Having these ready will make the connection much smoother. Now, let's walk through the actual connection. Typically, you'll start by logging into your mobile money application or visiting their official website. Look for an option like Link PayPal or Connect Bank/Card within the Settings or Wallet section. You'll then be redirected to PayPal to authorize the link. After successful authorization, you might receive a confirmation code or email to finalize the connection. This usually takes just a few minutes. As you use this feature, keep a few important points in mind. There might be transaction fees involved, which can vary from 1% to 3% of the amount transferred. Also, be mindful of daily or monthly transfer limits imposed by either PayPal or your mobile money provider. If you're dealing with different currencies, understand the conversion rates. Should you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.